Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet coffee mug cover, also called a coffee cozy, is a handmade crocheted sleeve that wraps around a coffee mug to provide insulation and improve grip. These covers help keep beverages warm for longer while protecting hands from the heat. Features of a crochet coffee mug cover material, typically made of cotton or acrylic yarn for durability and heat resistance. Designs can be simple or decorative, featuring buttons, handles, or cute patterns like hearts, animals, or seasonal motifs. Customization, often made to fit specific mug sizes or with an adjustable button closer. Uses: keeps coffee or tea warm for longer, protects hands from hot mugs, adds a stylish cozy touch to mugs, great for gifting or selling as handmade crafts. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a coffee mug cover. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn for better heat resistance and durability. Acrylic yarn works too but may not be as heat resistant. Avoid fluffy or fuzzy yarns that could absorb spills easily. Pick a suitable crochet hook. Use a hook size that matches your yarn weight. A tighter stitch will help the cover hold its shape. Measure your mug properly. Wrap a measuring tape around the mug and note the height and circumference. Add a little extra white for stress, but not too much to avoid slipping. Use a simple sturdy stitch, single crochet or half double crochet. Creates a tight, sturdy fabric. Try ribbed patterns, front post or back post stitches for a better grip. Add a closer for easy fit. If the cover needs to slip over the handle, add a button and loop closer or a tie-up design. A stretchy ribbed pattern can also make it adjustable. Personalize your design, add appliques like hearts, flowers in details, or seasonal motifs. Use striped, textured, or color block designs for variety. Try fun shapes like foxes, owls, or themes. Make it washable. Choose machine washable yarn like cotton to make it easy to clean. Hand wash if using delicate yarns. Start with a simple base pattern. A rectangular pitch that wraps around the mug is the easiest designs. You can later customize it with embellishments or shaping. Use elastic or adjustable stitches. Try using a ribbed stitch, front post or back post, double crochet to make the cover stretchier. Add an elastic band inside the top edge for a snug fit. Incorporate a handle opening if needed. If your mug has a handle, you can leave a gap while crocheting. Add a button closer for easy removal. Use a wrap around design with ties. Experiment with different stitch textures. Moss stitch for a bumpy texture and grip. Cable stitches for a classic chunky net look. Puff or bubble stitches for a fun raised design. Make it a fun gift idea. Crochet matching sets for family or friends. Add a small pocket to hold a tea bag or sugar packet. Attach a crochet flowers, heart, or name tag for personalization. Reinforce for extra durability. Use tighter stitches so the cover holds its shape over time. Double strands your yarn for a thicker, more insulated fill. Sew in a fabric lining to make it extra sturdy. Add a non-slip grip. Sew or crochet a rubberized backing on the bottom to prevent slipping. Use puff stitches or bubbles for extra grip. Use self-striping or variegated yarn. This creates a colorful pattern without needing to switch yarns. Great for beginners who want an easy but beautiful look. Try different closure methods, button and loop, easy to remove and adjust. Velcro, quick and secure but should be sewn well. Snap fasteners, strong and stylish. Ribbon or ties straps, adjustable and decorative. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!